Welcome! Today I'm showing how to unblock the phone number into a Motorola Moto G71. First of all, open your phone application and then in the top right corner into search we got three dots, so click it and go into settings. Then from general block choose block numbers, and here we got all block phone number. So for unblocking, for example this last one number, click here and confirm operation, click unblock, and that's it. Maybe let's try again. So unblock this number, click here and confirm operation, click unblock, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.